Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got Cajun fried shrimp. Yes, I love shrimp. Matter of fact, I love all seafood. So here we go. Here are some of the ingredients that I use. I got jumbo shrimp, half and half, slap your mama's spicy Cajun seasoning, an egg, all-purpose flour, cornmeal, and my special seasoning. So first we're gonna go ahead and start off by seasoning these shrimps. So now we're going to go ahead and work on our batter. So first we're going to start off with our wet batter, and we're going to use a whole egg and some half and half. Okay, so for our dry ingredients, we're going to go ahead and use cornmeal, all-purpose flour, and then we're going to season the dry batter. So you can use whatever seasoning you want to use inside of your batter, but I already seasoned the shrimp. I'm going to season the batter lightly, but I don't want it to be salty. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and start off with the dry mixture, and we're going to go ahead and put some shrimp in there, stir it around, and shake the excess dry batter off and place it on a plate. So after that, we're going to put in the wet mixture, back into the dry mixture, and then set it on a plate and get them ready to fry. So this is what they supposed to look like after you did the dry and the wet mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and throw them in some hot grease. And make sure your grease is hot and fry them up. Make sure they're golden brown and then remove them. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and plate the shrimp. And I'm going to garnish with some parsley flakes and some red pepper flakes. And that's it. Quick and easy. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share. And I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.